guys, I hope you enjoyed that little intro, and welcome back. We're back to the Manxman project, so I really hope that you enjoyed Dave's project in getting his bike up and running again. He's done a fantastic job, you know, all credit to him. He did all of that himself, and so he did a remarkable job. And then I hope you enjoyed the Vincents and Pines rally videos as well. Had an amazing time down there, and the Vincent just ran like a dream. I was really happy with its performance. I've only actually done about 700 miles on the bike so far, so technically I'm still breaking it in, and so you probably saw that it didn't go super fast on it as well, plus we had another bike that was running in as well, but nevertheless had an amazing time. So it's back to the garage and working on the Manxman again and looking at the engine, but more specifically I'm going to start working on some of the parts, just cleaning them up and getting them ready for sandblasting or vapor blasting, and then ultimately from painting as well. So this is one new part that I bought, well, new old part. This is the rear tail light section. Got this off eBay just recently. Understand this is the correct part for the Manxman. It's a little strange, I haven't quite figured it out yet. I'm not sure if this piece here is blue and the back plate is blue, but then the rear license or number plate is actually black. I haven't figured that out yet. I've seen both black and blue, but that doesn't really matter at the moment. I just need to clean this and some of the other painted parts up and then get them ready for stripping and then painting. Yeah, there's probably going to be tons of projects to do, and I can't wait to get started on the engine, but before I do that, I'm going to try and get some of the smaller projects out of the way. One example of that is the seat. You've probably seen pictures of the Manxman, but it comes with this, let's just say, vibrant red seat. I rather like this seat myself, but I think what I do need is the pan. So the seat pan for this model is different to like an Atlas, for example. So I'm going to remove this cover, unfortunately, see what lies beneath, and hopefully we can reuse this pan. It's in pretty good shape, probably needs to be repainted. I think it's also supposed to be black as well, so not blue. There's one part that's not blue on the bike, and then we'll take it from there and then start working on other projects as we get through the bike. Yuck. Whoa. Pretty disgusting. The seat pan is in far worse shape than I expected, actually. We'll see. There's a corrosion, a break there, a break there. Looks like this has been welded on, at some point re-welded on. It doesn't match this. I don't think so anyway. I'm going to take this outside. Well, I'm not sure, but I hope the seat's going to make it, but it's in a heck of a sorry state. So the old cover, or the replacement cover, is just pretty worn, but potentially reusable in the future. I'm not really so much concerned about that as the pan. This is the foam, which looks like it's the original foam system that was installed, and yeah, that's completely perished. I don't think that that's reusable at all. It also stinks as well. And then here's the pan. Let me just show you this closer up. Yeah, as you can see, it's in a pretty bad shape. Just round the skirt, you see we've got quite a lot of rust. It's peppered with the pop rivet holes as well. And there's a buckle here as well at some point that's been damaged. You've got a couple of breaks there, rips, and at the front is in pretty bad condition. I've no doubt that could potentially be welded or, you know, panels replaced, but the other thing is this leg here has been welded at some point as well. So all in all, the integrity of this pan looks pretty bad. Something going on here as well. I believe that's the step in the pan, but it's also been damaged as well, and so pretty rusty again. What I might do is just take this to the seat upholsterers or send it to them and see if there's anything that they can do to salvage this, because I do believe this is a special size, but I may be mistaken. It may be a common size for some of the earlier Nortons. We'll have to see. Right now I'm leaning towards replacing it, given how bad it is and the effort that it would take to actually fix this as well. So that's another job.